Because there are things that are part of the finished work of the cross. 1 Peter 2 talks about with his stripes we were healed. So we have the right to expect and to claim and to believe God for the manifestation of healing based on that verse. 2 Corinthians talks about though he became poor for our sake so that we can become, he who was rich became poor so that we who are poor can become rich. That means abundantly supplied. In other words, we have the ability to count on God for provision. So that's part of the finished work of the cross. Likewise, Galatians 3 talks about how Christ has redeemed us from the curse of the law. So there's certain things that are part of the finished work of the cross where our job is to recognize the verse, believe that Christ, the finished work of the cross, won it for us, and then to believe it and receive it by faith. But that's not what I'm talking about this morning. I'm talking about adversity in the context of the fact that you and I live in a fallen world. And in a fallen world, you and I will be casualties of what is known as atmospheric sin. There will be traffic no matter how much faith you have, no matter how much quiet time you have. There's going to be traffic. There are going to be racist people no matter how much you walk in love because God's given individuals free will. There will be nasty people. There will be opposition, and it has nothing to do with your walk. It has to do with the curse and the fact that on this side of eternity, you live in a fallen world. So the purpose of this discussion is to teach you and to teach myself and remind us that we can advance through adversity. Write this statement down. Disappointment is inevitable, but misery is optional. Disappointment is inevitable. Adversity is inevitable, but being miserable is an option. So I want to choose, and I want you to choose not to allow the adversity, not to allow the disappointment, not to allow the challenges that are a normal part of the Christian life because you live in a fallen world to cause you to quit, to cause you to throw in the towel, to cause you to lose hope.